Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited for today and today's video. It kind of looks like I'm just filming a normal video, but no, this is going to be a vlog. But I did just finish filming a video and it's pretty early in the morning. I think the kids are now awake though. I keep hearing little footsteps above me. But today's exciting because I'm going to surprise Josh. He has no idea, but I actually got him tickets for the Penguin game tonight. That's hockey if you don't know. We are obsessed with hockey and we haven't been to a game in forever. We only went to one game I think last year, and he's just, I don't know, he's just been doing so much stuff to help me. He's been doing so much stuff around the house because we have a new house, and so I just wanted to do something really like fun for him. And you know what, I'm gonna go into another room because I want to talk a little bit more freely, so come on. All right, so here we are in wait, I think he's above us. Maybe he'll hear me. Anyway, this is going to be his office. This is in the basement. He's like redoing the floor, obviously. We're gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna do something with that pipe to maybe hide it, but he painted everything and the baseboards. I don't know, I think it's turning out really nice and I really like the floor. But now that I'm thinking about it, I think he's right above us, so I can't do this. All right, so now I'm in a different section of the basement. This is actually the 5th bedroom, I think. It's actually in the basement, like I said. And anyway, he's still kind of above us. I'm gonna talk a little bit low. But anyway, so I had this company, they sent me this box of like Penguin gear, basically. It's called Fan Chest. I think he knows it was coming, but I thought it would be really cool that I like give him this box with like Penguin stuff and then be like, oh man, it'd be like so fun to go to a Penguins game, you know? And he'd be like, I know. And then I'll be like, we're going tonight, and he'll be like so excited. So I already made plans with Josh's mom. She's going to take the boys and they're gonna spend the night there, and they'll be super excited about that. They love spending the night at Grammy's house. And then we'll go off to get dinner and go to the Penguins game and maybe stay the night in the city. We love doing that after a Penguins game, so I'm just so excited. And I know it's stupid probably. I know like you guys probably don't care, but usually when he's in my videos and my vlogs, he makes them so fun. So I kind of want to do that with this video. So let's go upstairs and I'll just kind of pretend like I'm vlogging my weekend, which is totally normal and very good for a YouTuber. It makes like, nothing is weird when you like have the camera out, so he won't suspect anything. I'm such a freaking idiot. I forgot to turn off our alarm. Anyway, so that was terrifying. Everyone's awake now. I just came out here to literally show you, can't even see it, it's not giving it justice, but our backyard is so pretty. I've never really like taken you guys back here, but love like the open space and how flat it is. And again, like this is our view from our big window. I just love it so much. And this looks ugly, but that's actually a big berry bush, and then like a little playhouse. We've got a playground and then more storage over there, but it's just so pretty in the fall. And then there's some apple and pear trees over there too. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in now and we're gonna see what the kids are doing. I think they're in there watching a movie waiting for me to be done. But like I said, they're awake. Hey guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you watching?
We were watching Tron.
Ooh. It's okay, it's okay. Alrighty, so here we are, and this video is not sponsored at all. This company sent this to me. I got one, he got one. It's either Penguins or Steelers stuff. So I said in a video that I really liked Pittsburgh teams or whatever. So I thought I could include this maybe in a gift guide for the holidays, because I thought it'd be like a good gift for girls to get like their husband or their boyfriend or whatever. So we'll see what's inside, I don't know. So
Oh,
what's
nice.
Oh.
That's legit. I don't even have this hat.
Yeah,
I
Penguins
like
hat.
hats.
Yes, I like hats too. That's a nice one, I like
It
it.
is that nice. But I don't do my hair. I just toss the hat on.
Yes,
It
and
looks great. Not bad. Look at that. That's a decent shirt. I actually don't have that many Penguin shirts. Let's see. Luggage tag.
Ooh,
Not bad. Not bad.
I like that. Okay,
A plaque.
a plaque.
That's
Oh, like
cool.
a decor thing.
Or
You
is
could put
is
that,
what you call a plaque? What do you call this?
I don't know, like a hangy wall thing.
Hangy wall thing.
So you
this
could put
is
that like
gonna
in
go
your
in
man area,
My office. Maybe.
your office. Yeah, I already showed them that,
Oh,
so.
really? We have some cards. It's just like some promo stuff. And a lapel pin. How about that?
Oh, cool.
That's like
I think
really
my
this-
favorite thing though is definitely this t-shirt.
Depending on fit, yes.
Yes. If only we had a hockey game to go where you could like actually wear that.
That sounds suspicious. What do you mean? We're going tonight?
We're going to a hockey game tonight.
Are you serious?
I like froze. I like didn't know what to say. I'm like, how do I even say what I'm about to say?
Surprise!
Surprise! We're going to a hockey game tonight.
That's awesome.
Yes.
I'm very excited. We've been gone this year, so.
I know, and I thought you maybe suspected things because we were in bed, and I'm like, so what are we gonna do today? And I was like vlogging you, and you're like, I don't know
No,
what.
I know, you weren't like.
Was that weird?
A little bit.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go tell the boys that they're spending the night.
Where are we sitting?
Oh, we're sitting in our normal area, but the boys are gonna.
Shoot twice.
The boys are gonna go to your mom's house, so we're gonna have a date night. Hey guys, guess what? You're gonna spend the night at Grammy's house. Are you excited?
Yeah. No,
Yay!
No, I want to go to college.
You wanna go to college?
We're in the middle of playing the hockey game, so.
Oh, downstairs?
No.
Oh, cool. Let's go see. I'll show you guys. See, I'm telling you guys, we love hockey. Whoa, what the heck happened here? Okay, moving on. I would find a transformer in my bag. Okay, we have arrived here in the city. We've arrived, and it is mobbed here. I don't really know why. It's not because of the game. I think there's something else going on. We're like running out of time to eat. That is okay. I think we'll manage.
VIP status. We got king size booth.
Yeah, we're like...
We're living it up right here. I'm gonna sit on this side, you sit on that side.
Okay.
King and queen.
What are you gonna get?
I'll have one large beer stein.
I'm gonna get the tacos.
Yeah, they're good here.
We are now checking into our hotel at the Drury Inn in Pittsburgh. All the way up to the second floor.
VIP.
Except
We're in the
not
penthouse.
left. Fun fact about Shay, I do not know my left and right, and I mean that. Like I truly, it's very difficult for me to figure out which direction I'm going. I really like this hotel because it has super high, what is that?
Oh,
Like
cool.
step into the thing. Anyway, I really like how this hotel has super high ceilings. I'm hoping that this room doesn't disappoint. Where are we? I thought you said 215. I looked at the number.
No, I said 213.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna go in.
The big reveal.
No, it's
We're on the second
it's a disappointment.
Well, it's not a big.
Not
middle
really.
part. Oh no!
No,
They
it
all tricked
doesn't.
you.
It tricks.
They get that, they get
It's
that
such a
duck
bummer.
trick.
Look at this huge ledge, and if I get up here, look. Do you see that? No, you can't really see it, but that's a freaking huge, like concert venue stage.
Basically, we have first row seats, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, or like we're gonna be up all night because it's gonna be like super loud. Oh god.
I made it.
It got cut off. I don't know if you heard my shriek, but it dismounted, or he dismounted right onto my computer, and he almost like smashed and killed my laptop. And I'm currently uploading a video. That would have been terrible, but whew, that was a close one. Alrighty, we're outside the game. We're about to go in.
I'm actually free to pump.
You what?
I'm pumped.
Oh, you're pumped. You're pumped. Ah, there goes my tea. I have tea.
Free tea.
This
Cheers,
is
cheers,
tea
cheers,
number
cheers.
1 of the night. I'm gonna move.
T3?
Yeah, T3, literally.
Tea, and then we have like wind down T3.
Oh no, I have to. Oh mom, buy tea.
goodbye.
Buy tea. Tea number 2. This isn't going well. No, bad. This is the side of Josh that you'll only see at a hockey game.
Come on, Gino! Come on, Phil, give him the sauce! Baby Ray! Let her rip! Come on, come on, come on! Kill him! Fresh slice, come on. Lucky slice. No!
That was the worst game I've ever seen in my life.
We sad, fam.
Oh my gosh, it was so bad.
It
It's
was
like
so
five.
bad.
We left with like a few minutes left. We never do that.
Yeah,
it's 5-0 at this point.
2 shorthanded goals.
It was so
Doesn't get
bad.
any
It was
worse.
so
No.
bad.
That was a poop game. This is crap. Crap.
Tea number 3. All right, I just messed up this Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube. Go ahead, Josh. Beat it really fast.
There's
Seriously.
too much pressure.
Go.
I'll have to look at it first. Hold on.
Oh man, looky there.
Whoa.
Pretty cool.
We had a nice time today. It was a good day, and thank you for surprising me. It was nice. It was like a very nice.
I know, we lost,
It
but
was a
that's
nice
okay.
treat.
It was still fun.
It was a little date night action.
Now it's time to go to bed. And off to bed I shall go.
Good night.